travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am going to be kicking off spring with a spring decorate with me. I am going to be decorating my foyer because it's one of my favorite spaces to decorate in my home. And today I am also collaborating with my good friend Liz from Traditions by the Seasons. I am so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness, so excited to be kicking spring off with Liz because she has such an amazing eye for design and styling her decor pieces, vignettes. Oh my goodness, layering. It's amazing. Like the treat that you guys have in store is going to be amazing. So definitely get cozied up, get ready for some spring ideas, some inspiration, and yeah, I am super excited. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into decorating. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel, I do lots of home decor and seasonal decorating. Now, if that's something that you're interested in watching, I do upload 2 days a week, every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here so we can grow together. Make sure you leave a comment down below so that I can chat it up with you because I love to talk and get to know you guys. So thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. And yeah, I am super excited, so pumped, ready. Let's go ahead and get the decorating, y'all. Okay guys, so this is what the foyer is looking like before I decorate for spring. This is like an early spring decorating and I cannot wait to fully get on into it. But before we get on into the decorating portion, I want to introduce you to my good friend Liz here from Traditions by the Seasons. You guys are going to absolutely love her as much as I do.
Hello, my name is Liz. I'm from the channel Traditions by the Seasons, and I am so honored today to be doing this collaboration with my friend Shushana. If you're new to my channel, I am a mother of 4 daughters, happily married, and I love to make my home cozy through the seasons. So that is what my channel is about. So I would love to have you join me. Now today, Shushana and I are kicking off some spring decorating. So once you're done watching her video, I would love for you to come over, stop by, let me know you're from her channel, and I would love to welcome you. All right, guys, I'll see you over there.
Okay guys, so I am just going to go ahead and take down all of, this is like my early spring decor, which is very neutral, which I love. I love neutrals, you guys. If you don't know, if you are new to my channel, I am a neutral gal, okay? And I love adding like pops of colors during the seasons. So I'm just taking it all down. I'm going to give my console table a quick clean. Quick wipe down, and then I'm going to start bringing in all of the new things and the accents. If there's anything in this video that you guys see and like, I will have them linked down below. There are certain things that I cannot link, like this big vase, because I got it off of Facebook Marketplace for free, so I'm not able to link that. But anything else that you see, like the florals, the book stand, the books, you know, things like that, I will definitely have them linked down in the description box for you if you would like to go ahead and purchase them for yourself. So here I am, and I am just showing you guys all of my new stems. I am loving this color for the spring season. And I just love how tall these stems are. They're so versatile. I like to add tall stems into my entryway only because my entryway is extremely tall and this wall is so large. So I like to go ahead and add like a focal point, and I always have some type of tall stems, you know, in a pot in my foyer, and then I kind of just branch out into smaller floral arrangements and then, you know, other decor pieces. So I am so loving the way that this turned out, and let me know down in the comment section if you guys are loving it too.
Trying too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. deep. I believe, even if I try so hard.
So there are so many ways that you can support my channel, and one of those ways is by hitting that super thanks sticker just to let me know how much you do appreciate watching my content. If my content has been any source of inspiration to you, I would love for you to go ahead and support me by hitting that super thanks sticker. I am so grateful for all your support and for all your love. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and what I do here.
Baby, try.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. Oh, no. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. Oh yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down. Baby going down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down. Baby going down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down. Baby going down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down. Baby going down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no. We don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know.
inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
So thank you guys so much for joining me and Liz today in our kickoff to the spring season. I am super excited about this collab, and y'all, I can't tell you what a gem Liz is. She is the sweetest person. Oh my goodness, I love her so much. Liz, thank you so much for just collabing with me, girl. You know I love you so much. I love your style. You are super talented, and I cannot wait to see what you have come up with, because I know it's stunning. I know it's stunning. Y'all, she does not disappoint. She gets it right every single time. So be sure to check out the link in the description box. It will lead you to Liz's channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to her channel and definitely hit that thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Also, thank y'all so much for spending the time with me today. I hope that this video has inspired you to get started with your spring decor. Remember that you do not have to spend a bunch of money to get some high-end looks in your home. Just be creative, use some elbow grease, thrift some stuff, because I got some thrifted stuff on my console table and in my home, period. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're interested in any of the florals or any of the decor, some pieces I can link, some I can't, like I said, because they are thrifted, like this beautiful vase. I got it for free on Facebook Marketplace. And I just painted it. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord, He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.